Florence Fire.
Fire.
Stevensville Fire and 3 Mile Fire for a structure fire on Lower Woodchuck.
We're paging everyone as we speak.
Ravalli County, 3 Mile Fire.
3 Mile Fire.
Fire acknowledges page.
Stand clear. Copy, acknowledge page 2052. Abby, got the crew. Let's fire Ravalli County. Florence Fire, if you're en route to that structure fire, our RP is telling us that it is fully engulfed. There are 2 horses in a field adjacent to that. Unknown if there's anyone in the residence.
Copy, we are en route.
Copy en route, and we're taking this as a 505 Shadow Walk Trail, and this is a neighbor to the west of them. We're also being advised it's in Missoula County at the lower end of Woodchuck Road.
Copy, thank you. Ravalli County, Florence Fire, 1016 is en route to the Lower Woodchuck Fire with 3.
10-4, address we have is from Missoula County, just advised us is 21205 Lower Woodchuck Road.
Copy that, 21205 Lower Woodchuck.
2054.
Ravalli County, 3 Mile Fire.
I was en route to the... Is that already?
Negative. I got an engine with 2 people sitting on it. We're getting...
Florence Fire.
Fire.
Stevensville Fire and 3 Mile Fire for a structure fire on Lower Woodchuck.
We're paging everyone as we speak.
Ravalli County, 3 Mile Fire.
3 Mile Fire.
Fire acknowledges page.
Stand clear. Copy, acknowledge page 2052. Abby, got the crew. Let's fire Ravalli County. Florence Fire, if you're en route to that structure fire, our RP is telling us that it is fully engulfed. There are 2 horses in a field adjacent to that. Unknown if there's anyone in the residence.
Copy, we are en route.
Copy en route, and we're taking this as a 505 Shadow Walk Trail, and this is a neighbor to the west of them. We're also being advised it's in Missoula County at the lower end of Woodchuck Road.
Copy, thank you. Ravalli County, Florence Fire, 1016 is en route to the Lower Woodchuck Fire with 3.
10-4, address we have is from Missoula County, just advised us is 21205 Lower Woodchuck Road.
Copy that, 21205 Lower Woodchuck.
2054.
Ravalli County, 3 Mile Fire.
I was en route to the... Is that already?
Negative. I got an engine with 2 people sitting on it. We're getting about ready to launch.
Dan, I'll put us en route.
Did you have contact?
Affirmative, en route.
Fine.
Copy en route, 2055, stand by.
Command 2220, be around with 2. Ravalli County, Stevensville Fire.
Stevensville Fire.
En route to the structure fire in Florence.
Copy en route to structure fire in Florence. Stand by for short report.
Ravalli County, Stevensville Fire, I did understand short report and the address change.
You got 2140 Motley
Still stand by for
and
full short
Josh
report.
and Braden.
Understand. You're all on 2140? Is that what it said?
Affirmative. T Motley is on 2140.
I understand. Weiss 2140, all 3 en
Florence
route.
Fire, 3 Mile Fire, and Stevensville Fire. This will be a short report. You're responding to 21205 Lower Woodchuck Road in Florence, cross streets of Slack Lane and Surrey Lane. You will be responding to a house that was hit by lightning and it is fully engulfed. They do have, the RP advisor, they do have inside animals and they do have animals outside as well. That is all that we know as of right now. Missoula County deputies and fire are also en route. This concludes your short report.
220. Stevensville Fire, understand short report.
Ravalli County, Florence Fire, North Repeater. 1002 is on scene of a fully involved structure.
02, Rev Key and Little.
Copy on scene and copy short report.
Copy.
Copy short report, 3 Mile Fire.
Jack. They thought it was going to happen in town in case something else comes
Ravalli
up.
County, Florence Fire, North Repeater.
Florence Fire.
Would you repage to all of the Valley Fire Departments that you page to our structure fire for more manpower, please?
10-4, we will repage all Ravalli Fire Departments. 2058.
Weiss, Motley, change of plan. I'm coming to you. Gotcha. All the way.
Florence Fire is on scene, heavily involved, 2-story wood structure. Florence Fire will be in defensive fire mode.
Florence Fire, copy on scene, 2101.
Command, west side.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
They said you're broken.
Command, 2511 en route with 5. 2510. En route to Florence with 5.
2510 in route with 5.
Affirmative.
Com, 3 Mile Fire.
3 Mile Fire.
3 Mile Fire's on scene. Water supply will be on red. Ravalli Com, 3 Mile Fire.
3 Mile Fire.
Ravalli Com, 3 Mile Fire.
3 Mile Fire. Fire 2 North. Go ahead with your radio traffic.
Can we dispatch Victor and Corvallis water tenders, please?
Ravalli.
Command 2410 en route with 2.
H2.
We are clear and available.
Clear and available. 2111.
Command, west side. Yeah, it's myself and 2 cadets. I don't have room for them in 2320. Do you want to stick 2310?
District and call field.
Okay, we'll just stay here at west side in case we get something else. 3012, 3002, 2 contact. More around to the hall. Go to 3012. First off, watch your road, watch your speed. Secondly, I'm coming on your left, let me pass.
Ravalli Com, Victor Fire, acknowledge page.
Victor Fire. Copy. Acknowledge page. 2114.
Check in, west side.
Yes.
Anybody en route? Is that you, Del?
Yeah, you're on Fire 1. Oh, 1. 5001, 50. Yeah, I believe we got 2 going to take 20 down there, and that's it so far. I think that's all they were asking for.
Copy, I can go with a tender if you want. Did you acknowledge page yet?
That's a negative. Jared and K. Drake are going to be taking 20, headed that way.
I copy, I'll roll that way, and you guys can stay in district.
Copy, will do.
Ravalli Com, Corvallis Fire.
Corvallis Fire. Corvallis Fire on Fire 2.
Corvallis Fire's en route.
Copy en route. 2117. Corvallis Fire, stand by for a short report on Fire 2. Once Victor Fire goes en route, I'll get the short report.
I copy, and that's going to be on Fire 2.
Correct, Fire Fire 2.
Copy.
2118.
Command 2410. Do you know what channel they're going to be on for this lower chokewood thing in Florence?
Corvallis Station 1, 5001. Lower Wood, Florence, command 2011. On TAC 1, Corvallis TAC 1. Station 1, 5001. Make sure they're rolling 20, 22. Copy. Thanks.
Yeah, we're en route. Let's go. Are approaching scene.
2220 approaching scene. And we'll pull in, wait for 3025 to dump, and then we'll follow. Ravalli County, Corvallis Fire, Fire 2.
Corvallis Fire.
Can you verify that address for me, please? It's not coming up.
Corvallis Fire, the address of the fire structure is going to be in Missoula, and it's going to be 21205 Lower Woodchuck Road in Florence.
I copy, thank you.
2122.
Ravalli Com, Victor Fire is en route.
Copy and route, Victor Fire. Stand by for short report on Fire 2.
Fire Supply 3022 approaching scene.
Ravalli Com, Victor Kiryu is Victor Fire is en route.
He's right out of the watershed.
Victor Fire. Can you go to Fire 2 for short report, please? Victor Fire and Corvallis Fire. This is joining your short report. You're responding to 21205 Lower Woodchuck Road in Florence, cross streets of Slack Lane and Surrey Lane. You're responding to a fully engulfed house fire. It was hit by lightning. We were told by the RP that they do have animals inside and animals outside. Florence Fire did let us know that the house is fully engulfed. This is in Missoula County, and they have fire and deputies en route to the home address. This concludes your short report. Ravalli Com, clear.
Victor Fire, copy. Thank you so much.
Corvallis Fire, safe traffic.
2124.
Color? Red?
Little rescue.
May get turned around out here or just come straight for you? Command of the Lower Wood Florence Fire, 27.
Victor Chief, you want to come around us?
Going to meet 20. 5120, 5001, Corvallis Fire.
Ravalli County, fire is on scene.
Copy on scene, 2148.
Corvallis Fire, safe traffic.
Copy on scene, Corvallis Fire, 2148.
Water supply, Victor Tender. We are approaching your scene, just came through the driveway. A3. We will move out of the way and come down and fill. Coming. Water supply, are you wanting us to dump at the yellow or red tank? Copy that, thank you.
Order supply from D20. Corvallis 5020 on scene. CB20 behind 3025.
Water supply, 1020. Water supply, Florence 1020, red. 1020, 1,800 gallons coming in the driveway. Station off to the right on the driveway.
Alright, we were just told to back up here and dump into this tank. Water supply 3025. We are empty. Would you like this refill? Copy refill.
Ravalli County,
H2.
H2 acknowledges station.
Copy, acknowledge, page 2201.
for 4023. Copy, we're going to 419 Hidden Valley. Copy.
Water supply. Go on, Red.
On Victor Tech. We're just headed to go get water at 419 Hidden Valley.
Okay. Florence TAC don't work on these radios.
Can you repeat?
I was trying to see if I could get Florence TAC, and they don't work on these radios.
I think they're on maroon and water supplies on red.
Water supply, 357. We're coming down the driveway. Where do you want us? Copy. Go ahead. Copy. Copy that. We are, how would you like it? Copy, Red Jay.
Florence Command, this is the canteen. Where would you like us?
Water supply, Victor 4023. We're coming back into the scene. What do you need? Copy, yellow tank.
I'm 3 Mile Fire.
Stevensville Fire.
Can you dispatch Hamilton and Pinesdale for tenders, please?
2241, we will page Hamilton.
Water supply from Corvallis 5020 inwards. Water supply from Corvallis 5020. Yeah, we just came through the gate. You want us down in there still? Stage off the side.
Supply 4023 is out of water. We're going to go down.
Ravalli County, Hamilton Fire.
Hamilton Fire.
Corvallis page en route.
I copy, acknowledge page en route. Please go to Fire 2 for a short report. Stand by. We'll see if Pinesdale Fire goes en route first, and I'll give a short report then. Pinesdale Fire.
Pinesdale Fire is en route, and then we'll switch over to Fire 2.
2245, stand by for short report. Pinesdale Fire and Hamilton Fire, you will be responding to 21205 Lower Woodchuck Road in Florence, cross streets of Slack Lane and Surrey Lane. You are requested as mutual aid for a fully engulfed house fire. And this concludes your short report. Ravalli County clear. $22.46. $22.46. Hamilton Fire.
1020 on the red.
Are they just looking from one tender to most of the time?
At 1020, 1,800 gallons back in the driveway.
They requested extra water tenders from you and Pinesdale Fire.
Alright, copy.
Hamilton Fire, stand by. We will ask 3 Mile Fire, who requested this, how many units they need. 3 Mile Fire, Ravalli County, Fire 2 North. Florence Fire, Ravalli County, Fire 2 North. Hamilton Fire, we're unable to reach them by radio.
Fire.
2248.
Valley Com, Florence Fire, Fire 2 North.